Hello everybody, so today we're gonna bust a myth with you guys, and that is group tutoring versus one-on-one tutoring. I know a lot of consensus that we've heard from parents is that one-on-one tutoring is better for my team, but we're gonna prove you wrong, and this is actually why group tutoring is much better than one-on-one tutoring. Number one, with group tutoring, it's been shown that students do better in a group setting because they have that competitive edge, right? And this has been shown in research studies, right? It's because when you are being put in a group setting, right, students tend to want to outperform like their peers subconsciously, right? They actually will push themselves to perform better, and that's just a natural human state where we always want to try and do better than most other people, whether we realize it or not, right? So students push themselves better when they're in a group setting. Number two, right? In a group setting, students learn the multiple ways that they could use to solve a problem, right? Because you have them thinking of one way to solve a problem, and then another student thinking of another way to solve that same problem. And they actually learn like, okay, there's actually multiple ways to solve this problem, rather than this one way that I've always thought that this question can only be solved, right? Which, if you're in a one-on-one setting, you only think of that one way. So in a group setting, students actually learn multiple ways to solve the exact same problem, and that exposes their mind more. And then number three, right, support and motivation. What we've seen over the years, and this is when students' feedback to us, is that they'll come and tell us that, okay, I actually didn't realize that I have that question that this other student asked, right? I just didn't realize it, that what they asked is something that I needed to know, right? And so essentially in a group setting, right, students support and motivate each other because, for one, they are encouraging to each other. Our students at least do that. And then number two, right, is that when other students ask a question, sometimes our students realize that that is something that they actually did not know about, and they learn even more. So yeah, and that's why group tutoring is actually better than one-on-one tutoring, because it gives a competitive edge. Students learn multiple ways than just the way that they thought to answer a problem, and the support and motivation that they receive from other students, besides, the different other questions that they didn't realize about. But yeah, that's it for today.